Here it is, Himalayan Shilajit. 85 plus trace minerals, including fulvic acid and humic acid, whatever that means. 100% pure and authentic, wild harvested from the Himalayas. No heavy metals, it's vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO, no additives, no fillers. Supplement facts: purified Shilajit resin, 500 milligrams. Okay, here we go. We're gonna unbox it. Ooh, I got something here. What's this? There's some sticks in here. Oh man, it's stuck. Oh man. Come on, I'm gonna have to rip this up. There we go. I'm not sure if the camera can focus on here, but there's 250 milligram indications here and 500 milligram indications there. And there's a nice decal of a mountain. There we go, and Shilajit measuring device for all the intake. Here's the bottle. Shilajit, maple, naturals, I don't know. Let's open this. And it's sealed. Oh, there it is. The black goo. We've all who have grew up in the 80s watched manga cartoons, and there was always this black goo that like infected people. Well, this is it, and it's from the Marvels, the Spider-Man Venom. This is it, and we all seen, or well, at least I have. I've heard like conspiracy theories of the black tar consuming people. So I'm gonna use this for a few weeks, I'm guessing, by the amount that's there. I'm just gonna use a little bit per day. And it's supposed to detoxify me and give me energy and boost my testosterone level, which is already really high. So I'm looking forward to this. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's resin. It doesn't smell like much. It has like a little bit of a tangy smell. So yeah, that's what I'm up to lately. Thanks for tuning in.